So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can run OBS Studio on your 32-bit PC. Normally, OBS Studio is used by high-end PC users who have a good amount of RAM, a powerful graphics card, and, most importantly, a 64-bit version of Windows. However, in today's video, I will provide you with a version of OBS Studio that you can easily use on a 2 GB. In fact, a 1 GB RAM PC even without any graphics card. The video is going to be very interesting. So go ahead and like the video now. If you are interested in Windows or Android related content, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started with the video.
Let's roll.
You will not find the link to this zip file in the description or the comments section. Instead, you can find the link to this zip file on my website, which you can access through the description of my channel. After downloading the zip file, simply right-click on it and extract it. It will ask for a password, which I will provide. Once the extraction is complete, launch the setup and install it. After the installation is complete, you will find the OBS Studio icon on your desktop. Right-click on this icon, choose Run as Administrator, and launch it. Now, don't get confused by seeing so many options. I will explain each step in detail, so watch the video till the end. If your goal is to do live streaming, choose the first option. If you just want to record, choose the second option and click on the next button. In the next step, leave these two options as they are, and click on Next. After that, some tests will run on your PC, let them complete. Once the tests are done, click on the Apply Settings button. Next, click on the Settings button below and go to the Video tab. Here, set the output resolution to the maximum. Then, go to the Hotkeys tab. In this tab, you need to assign hotkeys for the screen recorder so that you can easily pause, play, or stop the recording. Once you've selected the hotkeys, go to the Audio tab and choose your audio device. Leave the other options as they are and click on the Apply button. After that, you need to click on the plus icon below and choose the Display Capture option. Then click OK. After that, click OK again and press the hotkey you set for screen recording or click on the Start Recording option below. If your audio is not being recorded during the recording, click on the settings icon and choose your audio device. Additionally, if you have a microphone attached to your PC, select it as well. Now, click on Start Recording and your recording will begin. You might experience a bit of lag, as I'm using two screen recorders simultaneously. Overall, this is a good screen recorder that comes with advanced features. You can use it to live stream on different platforms. Let me know in the comments how you found this screen recorder. You can also check out these videos. They might provide some additional help. Click on these videos, and we'll meet again.